So today we're going to look at polynomial division. All right, so we're asked to perform the following polynomial division. So polynomial division is very much like regular division. So what are we given? We're given 2x to the power 5 minus 5x to the power 4 plus 7x cubed plus 4x squared plus 10x plus 10, and we want to divide all of that by x cubed plus 2. All right, so how do we do this? So again, like regular division, we're going to write it out exactly the same way. So we have x cubed plus 2 and then divided into 2 times x to the power 5 minus 5x to the power 4 plus 7x to the power 3 plus 4x squared plus 10x plus 10. Okay, so now we need to figure out what we're going to put above here. We're going to do it term by term. All right, so we have an x cubed. What do we need to multiply by x cubed to give us 2x to the power 5? 2x squared, right? So if we multiply 2x squared by x cubed plus 2, what do we get? We get 2x to the power 5 plus 4x squared. And we have to subtract. And when we subtract, the 2x to the power 5 terms cancel out. We're left with negative 5x to the power 4 minus 4x squared. Good. All right, so now we're going to do the same thing again. What do we have to multiply by x cubed to give us negative 5x to the power 4? Negative 5x. That gives us negative 5x to the power 4, and then negative 5x times 2 is negative 10x. I'm going to subtract. And what do we get? Did we forget? We forgot one step. My mistake here. All right, we forgot one step. We need to bring down our 7x cubed. So let's put that in here. Okay, so now, again, same thing. We're going to multiply negative 5x by x cubed, giving us negative 5x to the power 4. Negative 5x times 2 is negative 10x. We're going to subtract. The negative 5x to the power 4 terms cancel out. Let's put this in order. So then we get 7x cubed minus 4x squared minus negative 10x, which is positive 10x. Okay. Good. All right, so things are working out. So now we need to bring the 4 times x squared down. So we're going to do that. And then we notice we can cancel out the 4x squared terms. Now let's make the screen a little smaller so we can see everything on the board. Okay. And what are we left with? We're left with 7x cubed plus 10x. So what do we need to multiply x cubed by to give us 7x cubed? We just need to multiply by 7. So 7 times x cubed is 7x cubed, plus 7 times 2 is 14. Okay. All right, and then we subtract and we get 0. 7x cubes cancel out, and then we're left with 10x minus 14. We're next we're going to bring the 10x down. Bring the 10x down, we get 20x minus 14. Okay. It's not possible to multiply 3 x cubed by anything to give us 20x. So we're going to bring the 10x down as well. And we end up with 20x minus 4. But this is our remainder. And I think we have just enough space. Our original polynomial. Actually, let's write it over to the right. We're running out of space here. We've used up quite a bit of space. They take a while. Okay. All right, so our final statement is therefore 2x to the power 5 minus 5x to the power 4 plus 7x cubed plus 4x squared plus 10x plus 10 divided by x cubed plus 2 equals, okay, what did we get? We got 2x squared minus 5x plus 7, good, plus, what was our remainder? Our remainder was 20x minus 4 divided by x cubed plus 2. Okay, good. That was a lot of work. Okay, let's try one more. Okay, so in this situation, we have 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus 15 divided by 2x minus 5. So again, let's write it out so we can actually do our division. So 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus 15 divided by our 2x minus 5. What do we have to multiply 2x by to give us 2x cubed? X squared. And then multiply x squared by 2x minus 5. And we get 2x cubed minus 5x squared. And let's subtract. And we get 9x squared minus negative 5x squared, giving us negative 4x squared. What do we multiply 2x by to give us negative 4x squared? We multiply by negative 2x, and we get negative 4x squared. Negative 2x times negative 5 gives us 10x. We can subtract and we end up with negative 10x. Now we're going to bring our 15 down. What do we multiply 2x by to give us negative 10x? Negative 5. So now we have negative 5 times 2x is negative 10x. Negative 5 times negative 5 is positive 25. We're going to subtract. What do we end up with? We end up with 15 minus 25, which is negative 10. This is our remainder. Okay, and therefore, let's write a nice concluding statement. Let's try and get it all in if possible. Well, why don't we write it up here? So 2x cubed minus 9x squared plus 15 divided by 2x minus 5 equals x squared minus 2x minus 5 plus our remainder, negative 10 over 2x minus 5. So division by polynomials is not pretty, but it is doable. It's not difficult. Just think about division, long division of numbers with numbers. And this brings us to the end of our video today. If you have any questions, give us give us a shout at info@raisemymarks.com or send us or give us a call day or evening. We'll be happy to answer your questions. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you again.